There isn't a definitive rule of thumb for the number of projects or budget that a project manager can handle. The optimal workload depends on several factors. These include project complexity, team size, and a project manager's experience. However, here are some general guidelines you can use. When considering project count, for low complexity projects, a project manager might handle 3 to 6 projects simultaneously. For medium complexity projects, this range is typically 2 to 4 projects simultaneously. For high complexity projects, a project manager might manage only 1 to 3 projects at the same time. When considering budget responsibility for low budget projects, which are less than $1 million, a project manager might handle up to $5 million in total project budgets. For medium budget projects, which range from $1 million to $10 million, a project manager might handle up to $10 million in total project budgets. For high budget projects, which are greater than $10 million, a project manager might handle up to $20 million in total project budgets. Other factors to consider include team size, project manager experience, project scope, and stakeholder involvement. A project manager with a larger team can typically handle more projects because tasks can be delegated effectively and the overall workload is distributed. Experienced project managers can often handle more workload due to their familiarity with project management processes, their ability to anticipate and mitigate risks, and their efficiency in problem solving. Projects with a well-defined scope and clear requirements are easier to manage. This clarity reduces the time and effort required for planning, execution, and control. Projects with a high level of stakeholder involvement can require more project manager time. This is because managing expectations, communicating updates, and addressing concerns of multiple stakeholders can be time-consuming. For example, consider a project manager with 5 years of experience and a team of 10. A reasonable workload for this project manager could be 3 medium complexity projects with budget responsibilities of up to $15 million in total project budgets. These are just guidelines, and the actual workload may vary depending on specific circumstances. It's important to avoid overloading project managers, as this can lead to burnout, reduced productivity, and increased risks. Overloading a project manager can result in several negative consequences. Firstly, burnout can occur. This is a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by prolonged or excessive stress. Secondly, reduced productivity is likely, as an overwhelmed project manager may struggle to focus, prioritize tasks, and make effective decisions. Thirdly, increased risks can emerge, as an overloaded project manager may overlook critical details, fail to identify potential problems, and make errors. It's also essential to consider the impact on team morale and work-life balance. If a project manager is consistently stressed and overworked, it can negatively affect the morale of the entire team. This can lead to decreased job satisfaction, increased turnover, and reduced overall performance. Furthermore, an excessive workload can disrupt the project manager's work-life balance, leading to personal stress, health issues, and decreased quality of life. In summary, determining the appropriate workload for a project manager requires a careful assessment of various factors and a focus on maintaining a sustainable and productive work environment.